For 6 years, Michiaki Tamaki has lived deep in the mountains of Japan, dedicating his life to an art that takes a lifetime to perfect. He poured his soul into forging a single, flawless katana, but the fire is unforgiving. In just 1 second, one tiny mistake destroyed his masterpiece. Shobara City, Hiroshima Prefecture. Located in the northeastern part of the prefecture, Shobara City is situated in the Chugoku mountain range. In winter, snow can accumulate to depths of over 1 meter. The main industries are agriculture and forestry. Most of the land is occupied by rice fields and mountains, and the sprawling paddies reflect the mountain ranges like a mirror. In a small mountain settlement, a young man works day and night to realize his dream of becoming an excellent swordsmith. A successor to Japanese traditional culture, Michiaki Tamaki. Immediately upon graduating high school, he became an apprentice to the renowned swordsmith Yoshihiro Kubo. 6 years have passed as he devoted himself to training under his master. Swordsmith. Using unique Japanese skills passed down for over 1,000 years, they manufacture and repair Japanese swords. An art form our country boasts to the world. Many are captivated by this mystical brilliance. The creator of this sword is the master swordsmith Yoshihiro Kubo, Mr. Tamaki's teacher. A sword begins with this Tamahagane, jewel steel. It is heated with fire, hammered and stretched. This process is repeated endlessly. He controls the fire with the bellows, fuego, while observing the state of the steel. If the temperature is too high, the steel itself will burn away. He pours his soul into every single strike. The person striking the steel, known as the sakite, is the apprentice, Mr. Tamaki, master and apprentice. By synchronizing their breathing, they create high-quality iron worthy of a sword. Impurities contained in the steel scatter as sparks. It is broken into small pieces to determine the hardness of the iron. The iron is finished. While striking the iron repeatedly, he shapes it into a sword. He constantly concentrates his nerves to gain inexpressible techniques from his master's form and movements. He reads from his master's expression what he is looking at, and what he is thinking. This is a world that cannot be mastered simply by being taught. It must be felt with the heart and carved into the body. This is how Japanese tradition and culture are passed down. And this year, after 6 years of training, Mr. Tamaki was to challenge himself with a sword-making project that would mark an important milestone. Mr. Tamaki was born in 1984 in Ozu City, the Ehime Prefecture. He has loved period dramas, jitageki, since he was a child. Toy swords were his favorite playthings.
高校2年生の時に知り合い友達のうちに本物の刀がある人が見せてもらうように頼んで見せてもらったら、今までそれまでは強さの象徴とか強いものだったら、すごい綺麗でして、それをまだ未だに作ってる世界があるっていうことをなんとなくはではあったんですけど知ってたので、作るっていう世界があるならちょっと自分も作ってみたいっていうふうに思って。
It was around that time that he caught a glimpse of Master Kubo making a sword on television. He was so deeply moved that he could never forget it, and he decided to become an apprentice.
真面目ですよね。真面目なんで、ほっといても安心だと思ってますけど、最後今自分の刀を作る工程を今やってるわけですけど、通して全て今ちょっと壁にぶち当たってるのをなんとか解決してほしいなと思ってますけど。
5 years since he first passed through the gates of the Yoshihiro Japanese sword forging dojo, he obtained the qualification of a master swordsmith, Tosho, which was one of his goals. He has taken a new step toward realizing his dream. Currently, Mr. Tamaki lives alone, about 10 minutes by car from his workshop.
お家は一戸建てですね。
そうですね、はい、一戸建てです。
失礼ですが、家賃とかになります。
家賃は市営住宅ですので15,000円ぐらいですね。安い。
2階もお部屋があります。
2階もあります。はい。
Looking at the books he owns, they are all related to swords. His hobby is also ancient martial arts, kobudo.
同じような気抜けないですよね。
そうですね、気は抜けないですね。最初はやっぱりちょっと疲れてもう帰ったらぐたっとしたりしてたんですけど。
武道をやってる時って心地いいですね、自分の精神。
そうですね、はい。それはもう緊張はするんですけど、そのストレスにはなってないです。はい。一番楽しいのは、やはり刀作りですね。それとコブの方のどこまで自分の技が高められるかっていうところですね。
April 28th. Today is a special day for Mr. Tamaki. He is scheduled to enter a sword he is making into the Amulet Sword exhibition, Omamori Katana 10, to be held in the autumn, to complete and submit a piece into which he has poured all his current skills. This means being recognized as a full-fledged swordsmith. An amulet sword is a short sword, tanto, given as a charm against evil for occasions such as weddings or births. Today is the day to perform the Yaki-ire, quenching, for that tanto. Quenching is a vital and delicate process that determines the sword's beauty, creates the hamen, blade pattern, and provides it with a beautiful curvature, sori, and toughness.
もう焼き入れするときは朝からずっと緊張してますね。1週間ぐらいかけて作ったものが焼き入れで割れることもあるわけですから、すごい神経使います。
First, before quenching, he applies yaki batsuchi, clay slurry, to the blade while imagining the finished hamen. This application of clay determines the success of the hamen.
まずだと思うんですけど、焼きを入れてみないとわからないんですけど、うまくいけばこの黒い粘土のところがそのまま刃文になります。もう神頼みじゃないんですけど、ちょっと入ってくれることを祈るような感じ。
Will it succeed? Waiting for nightfall. The quenching is finally performed. Quenching is done after the sun goes down. This is to avoid surrounding noise, and above all, to pour his soul into the sword. He sends air with the bellows to bring the flame's temperature to the optimal state. Finally, the tense moment arrives when the sword is placed in the fire. The flame temperature reaches up to 1000 degrees Celsius. It must not be too high or too low. He senses subtle differences through the color of the glowing blade and the heat transmitted to his own skin. Tension also runs through the eyes of the master watching over him.
Thank you.
All the lights in the room are turned off to more precisely judge the state of the heating. Relying on senses backed by experience, he waits for the opportunity. At the exact moment, he pulls the glowing sword out and rapidly lowers its temperature. He grinds the sword to check. Mr. Tamaki's expression darkens. What is the master's evaluation?
まあ一番の欠点はこれですね。これは粘土の塗り方がそこだけちょっと薄かったんですよ。0.2 ミリのところが例えば 0.1 ミリだったとか。まあもうちょっと苦労しないといかんでしょう。
A single shadow fallen on the sword. It was a failure. 5 months later, the amulet sword exhibition was held. Mr. Tamaki's sword was successfully completed and displayed there. The sword radiates a beautiful brilliance without a single shadow. It is a magnificent finish. Mr. Tamaki's parents are at the venue.
すぐ派っていう作品で、まっすぐだから難しいっていうふうに、やっとまっすぐ派のようにまとまったので注意した。
They look proud standing before their son's sword. And the work of his teacher, Master Kubo, won the top award. The blade by one of Japan's leading master swordsmiths possessed a presence and beauty that captivated all who saw it. Having mastered the artisan skills under Master Kubo for over 6 years, Mr. Tamaki was finally to become independent. Upon his independence, Mr. Tamaki left Hiroshima. He greets his master, Master Kubo. It is time for his departure.
久しぶりです。高校を卒業してから書には大変お世話になりました。これから刀鍛冶として自分が食っていけるのは書のおかげです。本当にありがとう。6年と4ヶ月ありがとうございました。
これから多分すごい大変だと思うけど、それを乗り越えて初めてやっと一人前だから、まだはっきり言ってまだまだだけどね、これから2、3年頑張れば 人並み以上の技術は持ってるはずだから。
His new home is Akiwa City, Okayama Prefecture. Mr. Tamaki established his forging dojo here. September 27th, a special day arrived for Mr. Tamaki. The Hatsu Uchi Shiki, first striking ceremony. He invited Master Kubo and others who had helped him to his forging dojo to perform the ceremony for his independence.
ただいまより私玉木道明の打ち初め式を開催したいと思います。よろしくお願いいたします。
Conducting the ceremony is his father, Michitoshi, who is a chief priest.
可愛い息子のために一腹るをということで、これから執り行います。その合唱をよろしくお願いします。それ堅牢自伝と一派不動明の化身暗謀の王子の総体なりここに玉木道明し仏天の明女と先祖の籠に預かり
Gasho, praying for his son's safety. The father's words celebrating a new beginning fill the dojo and sink into Mr. Tamaki's heart.
天道上を定めんと欲すよって諸仏諸尊の籠を葬らんと吉心の本日を選んで打ち初めの式典を根性し作刀の円満成就を応募
Many emotions must be welling up. Tears overflowed without stopping. Next is the fire lighting ceremony. Sacred fire is placed in the forge, and the offering of the sword material, the Tamahagane, is performed. And then, the Tamahagane, glowing red from the flames, is struck with a large hammer. The first one to swing the hammer is the master. This is the custom. All the attendees are asked to swing the hammer, to stretch the iron. The offering is finished, and the ceremony concludes. Mr. Tamaki's expression spoke of a new determination.
そうですね。これからとにかく早くしっかりと一本師匠の元を離れてからの一本を作りたいと思って。
Days of repetition and accumulation bear fruit. Open the door to tomorrow and take another step closer to the dream.